A couple videos ago, we asked you guys if you wanted us to do the blue candy carbon on our Ferrari Purosangue. Sai went through the comments and he read every single comment that was down there. Every single person that left a comment about if we should do the blue candy on this Ferrari Purosangue said yes. So we had Russ take care of the blue candy coat on there and it turned out amazing, as you can see. Man, once this hits the sun, it will look incredible. I don't know if you guys remember our blue candy Zakoi McLaren 720S. That one actually sold a little while ago. What's different about this, obviously this is forged carbon, so it kind of gives that marble look, especially with that color on there. The guys are actually assembling this car right now. It is done with paint. As you can see, we have every single blue carbon piece laid out right here. I just can't get over it. It looks so good. We obviously went with the blue carbon because it goes perfectly with the interior as well. At SEMA, we plan to have the windows down and the doors open so you can see the interior with the blue carbon. Another little touch we're doing, we are actually painting the brake calipers to blue to match the interior and the carbon. When all said and done, this car is going to wipe the floor with any other Ferrari Purosangue build that is going to be at SEMA. Let's go fuck with them.
Ryan!
Yes, sir!
Bro, I hate to tell you, but we gotta take the rear bumper off, bro. I misfired, now we both gotta pay for it.
Yo, but the blue carbon fire.
The blue carbon's fire, yeah, I'm not gonna lie, but that white, I'm not crazy about.
Well, we could have did Habibis.
Yeah, we could have done.
Bro, you guys never
we could have done blue carbon and white.
You guys never listen to me ever,
Yeah,
bro.
white on the bottom.
No,
like
no, it
Habibi
looks
white.
fine. But look, we got the exhaust for the car. You gotta put those fuckers in.
Like that was a joke.
Nah.
We gotta take the bumper off.
How is a pain in the ass to this bumper, man. I saw it.
Before dudes put this bumper.
I know
Like
we get
that
the
was a
we get the exhaust, but I know it was for the invoice says Revuelto. We just opening it for Purosangue, and they sponsored our exhaust. And look,
Hey,
fucking
can
car.
you edit those on there on the picture?
Yeah,
No. Well, I'll tell you guys what. Let's build a car. Let's cross that bridge if we have time.
We got a lot of bridges to cross.
Oh, yeah.
I know, that's what I'm saying. So let's just
I
not worry
told
about
them
it.
I wasn't gonna come on Saturday, but I think I can make this week. But I can only do the tips. Like I can do this part, the back.
That's what she said too.
But the rest,
She said she can do the tips only.
Yeah. France is the best. Handle it.
different tip when I put it down.
And this blue does look damn good.
Oh yeah.
With the doors
Good call
open
with that
on
thing.
the car.
That's gonna be great.
I wasn't gonna go for it. You guys kind of forced me to it. I had that idea to do it, but then I'm like, it's too much work. It was a lot of pieces. But then I'm like,
See the result?
yeah. I knew it was gonna be dope. Trust me, I knew. It might be a lot of it. We don't know until we put it on. One piece looks good.
It's gonna look good on the white though.
Yeah,
I think it's gonna look good on the white.
I also would like to add an Italian flag. I wish we could put it inside the car against the blue. It would pop. Have it somehow outside the car, but we don't. You know, I asked Javi if he could add the flag. He said he could, but we have to tear the whole interior apart. And nobody's giving love to this car. Like nobody's talking about it. I think it's gonna come out sick. Okay, so what is your game plan? Give me a game plan.
but the game
He says
plan-
he's gonna have you tomorrow. Tomorrow, end of the day, you're gonna have all the parts. So
I
when
wanna
can you give me
say
this car?
Saturday.
Yeah, just to let you guys know, none of these guys worked on this car. Single-handed, me. Stayed here 12 to 12, 24 hours, didn't sleep, maybe
12
2
to
hours.
12, he was here for 1 minute.
Yeah, that was it, man. These guys are all, look at them, look, they're just talking all the time. They're just holding parts for me, that's it.
From the factory, this Ferrari Purosangue already came with a blue interior, but the headliner and some of the pillars by the doors are in black. We want to do completely blue on that, as well as these seatbelts. They are navy blue, kind of like how Ferrari does that from factory, but we have our own custom seatbelts we're going to be doing in that one. In all of our recent builds, we always do the seatbelts when we do interiors, because seatbelts, it goes in front of you, it looks really good, it contrasts on the person as well with the interior. Those little details that add so much to the vehicle. I think with a completely blue interior, top, bottom, sides, everything, as well as full custom seatbelts, the interior of this Ferrari Purosangue is going to be insane. Hey, for those of you who say I don't work on cars, no one says that, but yes. Hey, this is me right here.
Single-handedly braided.
Not double-handedly, I got two hands on it.
Oh yeah, my bad.
Alignment good, bro.
Yeah, it's perfect, bro. Come on.
Damn, is that 4K braided?
Damn.
That's braided,
Yeah, he's got the angles too and everything. Ruben's crazy.
Talking and all that shit, Ruben is the best. I recommend it 100%.
Whip in your hand, then you know, grab it.
Hold on. I'm doing the Jedi. Putting it back together. Hey, you gotta unedit everybody out of here. Just make the bumper float.
It is now the next day. Yesterday, the boys stayed until midnight. Obviously, I set the camera down a little bit early. Got the exhaust on, and we also made a decision that we're only going to put on the muffler for SEMA because we don't have enough time to do the downpipes or the X-pipe. When this car comes back from SEMA, we're going to do the full exhaust. But for right now, we just have the mufflers, just so that when we do the full exhaust when this car comes back, we don't have to take off the rear bumper again. I'm very excited about this car. And if you want to see this car in person, November 1st, make sure you are there.
Size come and say, no, bro, put the stop.
Yeah, put the stock exhaust back, bro. Stock exhaust is good.
It's not gonna work, bro.
No, it's ugly.
It looks bad.
With time, we can make it work, but not now.
Sometimes when you're modifying a car, especially something like this that is so new and you're relying just on 3D scans to build an exhaust for one of these cars, in cases like this, sometimes it just doesn't line up and fit properly. So unfortunately for SEMA, we can't have that exhaust looking funny for the show, so we're gonna be reverting that to the factory system. But hopefully when we come back and we have a little bit more time on our hands, putting an exhaust on this car will add so much to it, and I think is a good idea, and we should still do it. But with the given time frame that we have to get this car done here in about, I think, 8 days of the time that we're recording this video, obviously shorter when you're seeing this, we just don't have the time in order to fab a brand new exhaust system for this that fits. Now, I've already shown you guys that we're doing blue carbon on the fenders and all of the forged carbon on the exterior of the car to obviously match the interior. But Russ just finished up these emblems that are candy coated blue. He did every single emblem, so obviously this one right here, there's also carbon around, as well as the Ferrari logo on the grille. All of those tie in with the blue carbon. You can see here with the front lip. And this front bumper looks so good. I can't wait to see this thing done and in the sun. Blue candy looks incredible in the sun. We did a blue Zakoi wide body 720S recently. That one looked incredible in the sun. I can't imagine what this one is going to look like. We're waiting on some of the front fender arches here, the wheels from MV and AL13, and a couple small touches in the back. And this car should be done. SEMA is literally right around the corner. At the time of me filming this is October 24th. Our reveal party is the 1st. So we have exactly a week until the reveal day to have this car, that car, but also our Harlex G-Wagon all completed and ready to show for you guys. It is currently 9:30. The guys are still inside working really hard on all of the cars, including that Ferrari Purosangue that I showcased today. It is currently October 24th, Friday. We have about 7 days. That's not even business days. That's 7 days to complete all of our builds. We have 4 cars at completely different stages of completion. We need to make sure that all of them are ready for SEMA. I'm very excited about this year round. We have tons of really crazy builds that the US and some of the builds the world has never even seen before. If you're just as excited about these builds as we are, make sure that you're here at Creative Bespoke, here in this very showroom, November 1st from 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. Make sure you're there, I promise you. This event will be the biggest event that we throw this year, but if you're excited, you love cars, you love modified cars, this is the place to be, November 1st. I hope to see all of you guys there.